This is Dave. Thanks for coming back to my channel. So I got some good news. I went out to the guys rebuilding my engine, Ron Kerr at Kerr Performance, and we started up the motor for the first time. Well, he started it up yesterday before I got there. So anyway, I went out to see it on this engine's test stand. And so without further ado, let's see how this thing runs. Really?
Yeah. So I would put a little richer. Always go richer. The worst thing you can do is foul a spark plug.
Yeah.
But if you're too lean, you're going to burn a piston up.
Yeah.
Or a valve.
Well, I think those are the what did the hell did I say they were? I think they're RH needles. I'll get with Brian Monday.
Yeah, because I'm not real familiar with what vet jets it actually takes.
Yeah.
But you got to remember now, we've upped the camshaft specs, so we're pulling in a lot more air, a lot more fuel now.
Yeah.
We need it, you know.
Yeah.
So I got to go out and turn the water on. So,
okay. So if you got the gist of that, I guess what I'm going to have to do is go buy a set of Richard Good's rocker arms, because from what Ron's saying, there's no oil coming out to lubricate the roller here. And the Richard Good ones do have oil, a passage that squirts through to that.
We got a little bit of an oil leak here.
Yeah.
Because that fitting is so weird. I cannot tighten it anymore. I'm afraid it'll bust it.
Okay, yeah.
It doesn't mean anything.
That's kind of screwy because it's got like a little...
inverted flare in there.
Yeah, and then it's got a little
I
cord.
saved your other fitting.
Okay, good.
And I want to show you something else I did. There was no way that I could prime the engine through that orifice.
Yeah.
So I took this out and I drilled and tapped and put a pipe fitting in there.
Oh, okay.
So if you ever want to prime it, go right in there and
okay, cool.
up everything.
Okay. Well, it sounds great. It sounds awesome.
Now I've got the choke on.
Oh, yeah.
It helps go a little bit deep.
Oh, really?
I mean, there's no oil coming out here.
Yeah.
There's getting oil up here.
Boy, it really sounds good. Well, that about wraps up this episode. The takeaway is the engine runs pretty strong. I have to get some richer needles for the carburetors. I talked to Brian at BFE, and he's going to send the next stage richer needles to us to replace the RH needles in the carburetors, and that should get us pretty close with that. Then I still have to make a decision on these rocker arms. I could go with, I have two options. I could go with the Richard Good roller rockers, which are about $800, or Brian at British Frame and Engine sells some reinforced pedestals that I'll send him my stock rocker arms, and he'll he'll put them on his shaft, and he has some reinforced pedestals that actually have like an outrigger on the end pedestals that will actually support the very end of the rocker shaft, so it doesn't flex. Because with the stock rocker shafts, the two outer pedestals don't support the very ends of the shafts, and they tend to go up and down, I guess, especially with higher lift cams and stuff like that. I don't have particularly stronger springs, but I do have the cams. So I don't know. That's $400 for that. So I can go $800 for the roller rockers, or I could go $400 for the Brian solution with the different pedestals. So I don't know. We'll see what's what. I got to make a decision here pretty soon because the engine's almost ready to go. So anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode of What Can Dave Spend His Money On? Bye. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe.